Hi guys, welcome back to Grounds for Life. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment. You can do it at home. It's pretty easy. We're going to be making a lava lamp. Okay? So all you'll need is vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and alka-seltzer tablets. They come from these packages. Might have to buy those. So basically what these are, they're like baking soda and vinegar combined in a dry form. Okay. The best glass to have is tall and skinny. This is the best we have, so you're gonna pour it up to about here. A little more. Okay, that's good. Okay. Then you pour the water in, and what will happen, the water will go straight to the bottom. Well, there might be a couple bubbles up here, but it'll go to the bottom, most of it, because it is denser than this vegetable oil, which means it has more density. So it'll go to the bottom of the glass instead of the top. So you just might have to wait a couple seconds so it all fizzes to the bottom. Then you put a bunch of food coloring in, and you'll watch it'll go to the bottom too because it's just as dense as the water is.
And you might just want to use one color.
No, you can use as many colors as you want. See that? It's right in the middle of those two. But you will see. Now we put the alka-seltzer tablets in, which before we put them in, I'll tell you what will happen, why it will happen. They're made of baking soda and vinegar, basically. And so when you put them in water, they'll fizz up, but it won't really work too much in oxygen. And when there's oxygen above it, so when you put them in with oil or something above it, they'll start fizzing and will make this really cool lava lamp effect.
Look, it's coming up. Some water,
Yeah.
oil.
So it's a really cool effect.
Stop it.
You guys should try this at home. It looks really cool.
It's a super easy experiment that you can do during quarantine when you're bored with at-home ingredients.
And then once it dies down, if you have another little piece of a tablet, you can put it in and it'll happen again. Maybe not as strongly this time, but it'll still do it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.